has arrived at Mysuru airport, and Karnataka Congress leaders, the Chief Minister of Karnataka Siddaramaiah, Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar have reached Mysuru airport. They've received Rahul Gandhi. These are visuals on your screens of D.K. Shivakumar and Rahul Gandhi at the airport. Let's listen into what the Chief Minister said.
ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋರು ನೀವು ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳೋದು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಿ ಕೆ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಮಗೆ ತಾನೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು. ಎಮ್ ಎಲ್ ಎಗಳು ಪಾಪ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದಾರ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಬಗೆಹರಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ, ಕರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಅವರು ಮಾತಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು, ಮಾತಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ. ಇದ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡಿರೋದು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು.
Let's go across to Navya joining us in the broadcast with more details. Rahul Gandhi is in Karnataka. There's a buzz on the power tussle which continues. Tell us more about the developments on ground. At the moment, of course, unity is what these leaders are trying to project.
Well, as you can see, this is the first meeting of Rahul Gandhi with both the leaders, CM Siddaramaiah and DCM D.K. Shivakumar, after the power tussle escalated in Karnataka. Now, why this meeting becomes important is both the leaders, though they have maintained that they are united on this front as a party, and whatever the High Command decides, that will be their ultimate take. But you see, the developments are more farther than that, because D.K. Shivakumar is seen talking to Rahul Gandhi personally for nearly 5 minutes. Now, while CM Siddaramaiah, you see, has asserted that whatever the High Command says will be their ultimate take, and there is no change, though many leaders, many MLAs might have been speculating around this leadership. It is D.K. Shivakumar and himself, CM Siddaramaiah himself, who will be speaking to the High Command on this, and only they know about this development. While you see, now that CM Siddaramaiah has broken the records of serving as the longest Chief Minister, which was earlier in talks that the leadership change might happen after this development. Now the entire scenario is on the wheel, because you see, Rahul Gandhi has met both the leaders and D.K. Shivakumar has personally spoken to him. Now we'll have to see whether this development is going to take a turn after the budget which is coming in March. Now this also helps in our understanding that the High Command will definitely take a call on this in the coming days.
Right. Now, stay on with us. Let's once again listen to what the Chief Minister said, the speculations that he was talking about.
ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋರು ನೀವು ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳೋದು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಿ ಕೆ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಮಗೆ ತಾನೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು. ಎಮ್ ಎಲ್ ಎಗಳು ಪಾಪ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದಾರ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಬಗೆಹರಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ, ಕರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಅವರು ಮಾತಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು, ಮಾತಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ. ಇದ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡಿರೋದು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
So that was the Chief Minister of Karnataka, who says let MLAs say whatever they want to. These are just speculations. They can speculate as much as they want to. Just believe what I and D.K. Shivakumar say. There's no power tussle as per Siddaramaiah. We're taking a very short break. Navya, thank you for getting us the inputs.